Hello. This is a tutorial for making a Cat Noir finger puppet. Let's first get to know the tools needed. This black bag is the toolkit. Open the toolkit, and you will see multicolored spools of thread, tweezer, needle bottle and needle, seam ripper, leather strap, bell, mini tri-glide buckles, greeting card, filling cotton, you can scan the QR code on this page to watch the tutorial video. This is the needle, with one blunt end and the other end designed for threading. Here is flat waxed line. Cut the thread with scissors. Reminder: always tie a knot before starting each stitch. Thread the needle like this. Align the two ends of the rope, form a loop, and tie a knot. Use scissors to trim off the excess parts. Tutorial for using an unpick tool. If you've stitched incorrectly here and need to unpick and redo, gently push the unpick tool forward to lift the stitches. This package contains filling cotton. Simply tear open the packaging to use. This is the nylon rope.